In this video, we will demonstrate how to remove and install the hard drive. Before removing the hard drive, read through the safety guidelines to protect your computer from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the Dell Latitude 5511 service manual at dell.com/support.
Before you begin,
Ensure that you create a recovery drive and back up all data. Turn off your computer and disconnect all attached peripherals. To get started, turn the computer over and loosen the 8 captive screws that secure the base cover to the computer. Using the flat end of a plastic scribe, pry the base cover at the indents near the left and right hinges and continue to work on the sides to open the base cover. Lift and remove the base cover away from the computer. Disconnect the battery cable from the connector on the system board. Turn the computer over and open the display. Press and hold the power button for 5 seconds to ground the computer and drain the flea power. After draining the flea power, close the display and turn the computer over. Now, let's remove the hard drive. Disconnect the hard drive cable from the SATA connector on the system board. Remove the 4 screws that secure the hard drive to the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Now, lift the hard drive away from the hard drive slot on the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Disconnect the interposer from the hard drive assembly. Remove the 4 screws that secure the hard drive bracket to the hard drive. And then lift the hard drive off of the hard drive bracket. You have now successfully removed the hard drive. Now, let's see how to install the hard drive.
to begin,
Align the screw holes on the hard drive bracket with screw holes on the hard drive, and then replace the 4 screws to secure the hard drive bracket to the hard drive. Now, connect the interposer to the hard drive. Align and place the hard drive into the dedicated hard drive slot on the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Replace the 4 screws to secure the hard drive to the palm rest and keyboard assembly. Connect the hard drive cable to the SATA connector on the system board. Now, connect the battery cable to the connector on the system board. To install the base cover, align and place the base cover on the computer. You can press the edges and sides of the base cover until it clicks into place. Now, tighten the 8 captive screws to secure the base cover to the computer. You have now successfully installed the hard drive. You can now connect all of your peripherals and turn on your computer. For more information, see the service manual at dell.com/support.